Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my natural sort of like when I'm feeling a bit lazy makeup. So I like the skin looking a bit more like glowy and healthy. So I'm using the Napoleon Purse Complex Serum. I'm going to pop on some of this Dr. Jart Hydra Solution. It's like a gel cream moisturizer. Bit of eye cream. This is the Clinique All About Eyes. I'm going to use some of the MAC Pink Light Strobe Cream. Alright, when I'm going more natural, I use Tinted Moisturizer, so I'm going to mix together the Off Duty Tinted Moisturizer by Napoleon Purse, the light and the dark together. And this I rub in with my hands because it's more like a moisturizer type formula, you know. I'm going to do some concealer just to give me some more coverage where I need it on the pimples and stuff as well. This is the Napoleon Purse Camera Finish Concealer. I'm going to let this sit just as is for a couple minutes to get a fuller coverage. I'm just going to start tapping this in. You want to do more of the tap to keep that coverage. This is a Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm going to do a touch of cream contour. This is the She Glam, I don't even know, Golden Sun cream contour. Touch of cream blush. This is Go On Rose by Napoleon Purse. I'm going to do a touch of the Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Powder. Now I just do this through the center of the face only. Now I feel like the freckles really make it more natural. So this is the She Glam Freckle Tint. Just tap them in. Very soft highlight here, just like right through the center. Sort of contours your nose without having to do too much. My favorite step for a really quick and easy brow is the Napoleon Purse Wonder Brow. This is a really nice fine brush to get nice and precise, and you can sort of fill it in as well. See how good that looks? So precise. It literally takes me like 30 seconds. Then I just go over with a bit of the NYX Brow Glue just to sort of make them look a bit fluffier and fuller. Just going to lightly line my tight line here with a brown pencil liner. Now I like a little bit of a flick. I'm using a brow pen. This is the Napoleon Purse Frame Brow Pen. So I do that, and then the inner corner as well. So it just sort of helps to elongate my eyes a little bit more. I'm going to chuck on a really quick coat of mascara. I'm going to add a touch of this She Glam Take a Hint Lip Balm. I'm going to pop on some lip plumper. This is the Victoria's Secret Nude Plumper. Alright, so that's how everything's looking. I'm just going to finish up with some really natural lashes, which I'm going to do in another video. So stay tuned for that. But this is the natural, like, lazy makeup I do.